Alright, so it's been a while. I'm so sorry. We still do not have the 2-bedroom condo tour because the unit is always booked. So I'm gonna show you what's fun in Iloilo. Hello everyone, good morning. Alright, so we're starting a series that's called What's Fun in Iloilo, where I will showcase the places, experiences, and cool stuff that make Iloilo fun for me, and hopefully for you. Today we'll walk around the Molo Plaza, which I believe is the most charming plaza here in Iloilo. So this is the trinity of the Molo Mansion, the Molo Plaza, and also the Molo Church. So let's start with the church. Check out the beautiful Molo Church, officially the Santa Ana Parish Church. Built in 1831, it is famous as the country's only feminist church because it features statues of 16 female saints. Let's now walk around the plaza just right in front of the Molo Church. Over on this side, in front of the convent, are the monkey bars that locals, usually children, use for exercise. It's early on a Sunday, so there are not a lot of folks hanging out here yet, but it should get crowded around the middle of the day. There are a lot of benches in Molo Plaza, and one of the best things to do is get your bibingka and eat it at Molo Plaza. Remember though, the bibingkas are not available here all week long. They're only here on weekends, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you should make sure you get your share of the bibingka. They cook them here, serve them hot, and it's only 5 pesos per bibingka. Now, as we walk past the bibingkas, we get to the playground for children and adults. Past the bibingka, the playground, the fruit stand, and all the other games and food stands that don't open until later, we get to Kapihan sa Molo.
Everywhere in the world and to settle in Iloilo City. We play music and share our presence. It's highly appreciated.
Kapihan sa Molo is a small coffee shop in Molo Plaza that serves inexpensive hot or iced coffee and the best Molo soup that I've ever had. Local runners and bikers hang out here after their Sunday morning activities. It's a bit crowded, but I was lucky to get a seat right in front of the senior singers singing songs from the 60s.
So I have a region of Iloilo from Technopats. Both of us, the third batch will take a So I
Time check, it is now 9 a.m. on a Sunday, so the Molo Mansion is now open. The Molo Mansion is open on Sundays from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. And from Mondays to Saturdays, it's open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. The Molo Mansion is one of Iloilo City's best preserved heritage landmarks. Originally known as the Yusay Consing Ancestral House, it was built in 1926 for the prominent Yusay family during Iloilo's sugar boom. The main mansion features a blend of neoclassical and Art Deco architecture, with high ceilings, elegant arches, decorative woodwork, and a grand staircase. Today, it has been beautifully restored and serves as a heritage, shopping, and dining destination, rather than just a traditional museum. After being acquired and restored by the SM Group in 2014, the mansion was transformed into a place where visitors can appreciate Ilonggo culture while enjoying local products and food. Admission is free, and no reservation is typically required for a regular visit. You can have meals, coffee, halo halo, and more while you listen to the talented singers of Iloilo.
And I see your true colors. Music, also po sa lahat ng mga nire-request ng songs.
And that's what's fun in Iloilo for today's video. I hope you get to experience the fun yourself soon.